So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than my normal content. I am going to be doing a crochet challenge. I'm going to be going to Dollar Tree and trying to get everything to make a plushie and see if it's even possible. I'm curious if it is. So I'm going to be getting my yarn, my crochet hook, the stuffing, possibly the safety eyes, the yarn needle, everything, or at least attempt to. I'm curious if I can, and I'm curious how the yarn will work as well because I've never used Dollar Tree yarn. I've heard some mixed things about it, so I'm excited. Okay, I'm at Dollar Tree, but I don't know how much filming I'm going to be doing in public. I'm going to try to at least do as much as I feel necessary. Just uncomfortable just seeing everyone around me. I feel like they're watching me take this video and are like, what the heck is that girl doing? Okay, I found a hook. They also have 5.5. They have a ton of yarn. But I think I'm gonna get the green. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got at Dollar Tree. There were so many people in there, oh my gosh, because it's like right before Halloween. That I didn't need to get, but I got anyways. So I got this cool like little glue gun mat, which is awesome because I was just grabbing like a random piece of paper anytime I was needing to use my glue gun. I could not find a yarn needle and I could not find safety eyes, which I'm not surprised about either. Just because, I mean, that's very specific. But I got this crochet hook. It's a 5mm. And then I got some of the green yarn because I think that I'm gonna make like little mini frogs. I got 2 things of that because I don't know, like, you know, how much it's actually gonna use. And the frog pattern, actually, other than to close it up, you don't even need a yarn needle. And so I was like, okay, that's perfect. And then I got this for the blush. This, I'm wondering if people will come after me for, is I got a stuffed animal because I couldn't find any sort of stuffing. And so I'm gonna have to cut this open. I did make sure that this wasn't like the most popular. There was like an abundance of this specific plushie. Didn't get scissors, completely forgot that, but I have a ton of scissors from my house that are from Dollar Tree. These are the only sort of eyes that I could find. They're googly eyes. So we'll see what those look like. But yeah, time to go home and make the plushie. Okay, so let's start with how I feel about the yarn. It kind of feels scratchy, not gonna lie. I mean, it's not gonna be the best quality. Let's see how strong it is. That's not bad, actually. I was definitely expecting the second I put pressure on it, it was gonna snap, but yeah, that's pretty good, actually. It's better than most. With the yarn, I got 2 of those just in case because I didn't know how much I'll be using or going through. And then I got a little pink for the blush. Then the crochet hook, obviously, I got a 5mm, don't know what brand. This is compared to my Clover hook, which I love. This is my Clover. This is the Dollar Tree brand. They actually somewhat look similar. Thought it was ironic that they're both blue. Obviously, quality is not the best on the Dollar Tree one, but hey, I'll take it. Then obviously I couldn't find anything to use for the safety eyes, so I'd get googly eyes. Then my stuffing, don't come after me. I'm going to be cutting up this plushie. There was a ton. I'm going to be using the Chubby Frog pattern by All From Jade. I got it on Etsy. It's one of my favorites. But let's see if I can crochet a frog. Now I won't be sharing the pattern with you guys because this is not my own pattern. It's someone else's, but so I'm going to speed it up, but I will tell you guys how the quality is, that's for sure. So I can already tell that this hook is not smooth. Okay. So this is the first row of my project. Honestly, this yarn is not that bad to work with. It actually kind of reminds me of the Michaels yarn, Loops and Threads. I don't like using that yarn, but this one's not too bad. So far, so good. Okay, so I need to attach the eyes and start stuffing. Surprisingly, this yarn's not that bad. The only thing that I have noticed is that it leaves bigger gaps than normal. I'm not exactly sure why. It could just be because I'm using too big of a hook. But yeah, it's not that bad, to be honest. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to add the googly eyes on last because I don't think it's going to stick very well. But what I am going to do is cut open this plushie there. Hopefully this is the right stuff in it. Sweet. Luckily I won't be needing a ton. It's like really soft stuffing. I totally forgot black yarn for the mouth, so I'm not going to be doing that. It's not the prettiest, but I think it's cute. Next row in this plushie is just a row of decreases. Let's see how it's going to work up. So it's pretty squeaky. I'm going to add a little bit more stuffing into this. Oof, so hopefully it'll close. I noticed when I was trying to pull that close, it didn't want to, which is not a good sign. Okay, I'm gonna hide the yarn up here. Okay. To add the blush and the eyeballs. I'm going to do the blush first. I'm just going to take the pink version of this Dollar Tree yarn so I can add some accent pieces. I forgot black yarn to do the mouth, so it's not going to have a mouth today, but it'll have rosy cheeks. Okay, let's tie it. cut. Yes, see, it's not the best quality, but I've had expensive yarn that does that. Okay, the last step, adding the eyeballs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with an entire bag of googly eyes, but I guess I'll figure it out. Let's use the small ones. Okay, this is actually pretty cute. Are these the ones that have the back that can just come off? My glue gun. Let's glue them on. Ow. Completely just burnt my finger. Did it again. And there you have it. You can add a little smile. I usually do. I'm going to show you a side-by-side. See if you guys can figure out which one's from Dollar Tree. Which one's made with Dollar Tree stuff? Take a guess. I'm gonna have my husband come and guess which one he thinks is made with Dollar Tree materials. I think he'll know, but let's see. Okay, let's see if you can tell. I'm gonna throw them both at you at the same time though.
Alright. You would never guess.
Hold them up.
I might have ripped the eye off that on accident.
Oh, it's okay. Which one?
My educated guess on this one.
What? Oh, yeah.
That's the Dollar Tree one. Jeez. I think the eyes gave it away more.
Oh, yeah. I think it's safe to say he had no idea. No, in all seriousness, I think that the yarn was pretty good quality for Dollar Tree. The hook was pretty good too. The only thing is that I bet you if you were crocheting like a really long project, your hands might cramp up and get sore because the grip's not good. Obviously, didn't like the googly eyes, but the yarn, pretty good.